Good morning, my dear students. Let us continue the figure of speeches in grammar. We have seen about the figure of speeches, some figure of speeches which are simile, metaphor, antithesis, interrogation, explanations. These were some of the examples which we have seen in the last video. Now let us continue in figure of speeches. Now see here the climax. So climax figure of speech is there. So which is used by the poet for the better poetic effect in his poem. Now see here climax means just like an increasing order. So this figure of speech is used by the poet in some poems. Now see here in climax ideas are arranged in an ascending order of importance, increasing order for better poetic effect. So when does the poet use such type of the figure of speech? The climax. Climax means increasing order. Climax, these ideas are arranged by the poet in an ascending order of importance for better poetic effect. Now see here, what is the example here? He sacrificed his business, his home and his honor for political gain. So now he is here. This, the importance, the ideas are arranged in a ascending order. Ascending order. Now see here. He sacrificed his business, his home, and his honor for political gain. So these objects these ideas are arranged with the ascending order for better poetic effect. So this is a climax. This is a climax. Business, home, and his honor. This is a ascending order. Business just lower, middle is home, and the top is his honor. His honor also means these ideas are arranged with the ascending order. Then we can identify this is the climax figure of speech. Do you understand? Now see here. Now another one is there. 7 number, anticlimax. Climax, anticlimax. So just such opposite of climax, anticlimax. Anticlimax, descending order, and climax, ascending order means decreasing order. Means top to bottom and bottom to top. Now see here, anticlimax, descending order. In an anticlimax, ideas are arranged in descending order, means decreasing order of importance for better poetic effect. Very simple to identify the anticlimax figure of speech here. What is mean by the anticlimax? Anticlimax and anticlimax means the ideas are arranged in descending order of importance for better poetic effect. So just opposite of the climax, anticlimax. Now see here, what is the example here? With the example we can get the knowledge to identify the anticlimax figure of speech in poem. Now see here, this is the example. He lost his wife, his child, his house, household goods, and his dog. So this is a descending order, decreasing order. He lost his wife, his child, his house, household goods, and his dog. So these ideas are arranged with the descending order. First he is given the importance to his wife, then his child, then house, then the household goods, means in such a way. So these ideas are arranged with a descending order. So then we can say, or we can identify this is an anticlimax figure of speech. This explanation of the anticlimax means just the descending order. The ideas are arranged with a descending order, decreasing order, and then we can identify this is the anticlimax figure of speech here. So I think you understood well. about the anticlimax. Climax and anticlimax, so just opposite of each other. Opposite of each other. Climax increasing order and anticlimax decreasing order, means ascending order and descending order, means which ideas are arranged with the ascending order, it is a climax. Which ideas are arranged with the descending order, it is a anticlimax. Now see here, now third one is here personification. Such an important figure of speech which are used by the poet in the poem for better poetic effect. Means what is the personification? Personification, here an inanimate object, means the non-living thing, non-living object is given a human attribute, means human quality. You know here an inanimate object, means the non-living thing is given a human attribute, human quality to something. Suppose death is given the human quality in any poem, so that is a personification. Now see here with the example we can understand about the personification. Personification means the quality is given to the quality is given to the human, to the object. Now see here, for example, flowers are dancing in the pool. So the human quality is given to whom? The human quality is given to flowers, because flowers can dance. No, flowers cannot dance, but here is the given the quality to the flowers. That is called personification. Means flowers are dancing in the pool. Who dance? Man can dance. Man can dance. So that is the quality of the man, and that quality is given to the flowers. So this is the personification. This is the personification figure of speech. For another example, to understand, the leaves were restless when the wind blew. The leaves were restless when the wind blew. When the wind blew, the leaves were restless because with the wind blew. So who restless? That is the quality of the man. Man can be restless. Man can be restless because it is a living thing. Man is a living thing, but these leaves are means the non-living thing. So the man quality is given to the non-living thing, and so man can restless, but but that quality is given to the leaves. It is not the quality of the leaves, but this quality is given to the leaves. Means that the leaves are given the human quality. The leaves are given the human quality of restless for better poetic effect. So this is the personification. Do you understand? So the human quality is given to the non-living thing, then it is a personification. It is one of the most important figure of speech, that is the personification. Now here we have seen today climax, anticlimax and personification. Climax, ascending order, the objects are arranged with the ascending order. Anticlimax, the objects are arranged with the descending order. And personification means that is the human quality is given to the non-living thing. So in this way we have seen today these of the three figure of speeches. I hope you understand. Okay, so this is today about the figure of speeches. Thank you.